What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Hey, it's Monday, 9:22 a.m. Wanted to take some time out to shoot this video, but I definitely wanted to say, hope this video is finding you guys well on this beautiful and blessed day. It's another day we have gotten up to see, so we want to thank God for being able to open our eyes up, especially if we're in health and moving and able to do a lot of things that a lot of people can't do, guys. So definitely shout out to everyone that is able to watch this video in perfect mind and spirits. Okay, so moving on, guys. I know you've been hearing me talk about my 250 seduction way that you can earn unlimited $250 commissions. Shout out to Tammy Montgomery. She's the one that put this system together. And guys, it's a beautiful thing, you know, when you're able to earn unlimited $250 commissions, because I say $250 is a very good sweet spot when it comes to a program if you're going to join something, because it's a mid-ticket, but it's also a high ticket as well, kind of almost a high ticket, because 3 sales could put you at a nice $700 income for the day. And you want to always remember, it takes the same amount of effort to make a $35 sale, a $50 sale, $100 sale as it does a $250 sale, or as it does a $500 sale. So always remember that. Don't always say, well, just because this program is $250, I can't go out and you know, no one's going to join. That's a lie, especially if there's a lot of value in a program like this. See, when a lot of people, they have one problem in their business, and that's generating leads. So this is what you're going to learn from Tammy, where she's a seven-figure earner, you know, where she's pulling back the curtain on things that she's doing, and this training works, guys. So a lot of people might hear me talk about Udemy solo ads. Well, she's gonna give you solo ad strategies. So it's part 1 and 2. She's gonna tell you all the different vendors that she's using, things that you can look out for, so you don't get caught in bot traffic, fake traffic. That's the number one thing people say. Well, we don't know if it's real traffic. And also, guys, remember is that when you're building your list up, people don't know you. So you have to, that's why we say cold leads and warm leads. So this is cold traffic, and then it becomes warm traffic because you start warming them up. You start building them to who you are as you continue to send videos to them and reach out to them and let them know exactly who you are. So we teach you these type of things, okay? Along with Facebook marketing as well. So you know, there's a way that you should be marketing on Facebook. You just can't be just spamming your wall. You know, there's things that you should put up. There's certain times of the day that you should post ads on your wall. Exactly, Facebook ads. So for guys that have more money, you know, they have a budget, we're going to show you how to create a post and an ad on your Facebook page, on your fan page or your business page, whatever you're using, and we're going to show you how to target people. So Facebook allows you to target people that are interested in what you could possibly have. So if this person is into affiliate marketing, Jim Rohn or Tony Robbins, Eric Thomas, Gary V, you know, these are people you want to be targeting, especially if you have an online marketing business. If you have a brick and mortar business, you want to target those type of people. So you know, if you have some type of product that you're selling, you want to target people that purchase that product, the competitor, something similar, someone that shows interest. So these are the people that you want to show you want to look for those type of interests if you're going to make an ad to that particular audience. Okay. And this is just a lot of the bonus training that I'm showing you guys. There's other training that we have in here, but this is the bonus training that I'm showing you here. And we actually have new content that we put up every Monday. That we do a new Zoom every Monday, and new content goes in our back office each time. Just showing you guys what's going on and how we're doing this. Okay. So a lot of money is being made. You can make some real good money, some real big commissions with this, guys. Now, one thing I can't go on without this, with this being Monday, guys. You know, if you see programs like this, I want to let you guys know that these type of things are real. Always remember that. For you guys that don't know, affiliate marketing is something where you become a member or you purchase, you know, into the program, and now they're giving you affiliate rights or reseller rights where you can go out and tell others about this program. So if you have someone in a business that has a business and they need to generate leads, then you can say, hey, I got a training that's gonna show you all ways how you should market on Facebook for your business. Guys, remember, this doesn't always go for making money online. I do music as well. I've done Facebook ads with my music. So that right there tells you that this goes a long way, as opposed to just something that, oh, I can only use it for online marketing. No, if you are a photographer, if you have any business, if you're selling beats, whatever it is that you're doing, you can utilize Facebook ads. Okay, you can utilize Craigslist ads. How to actually show what you're doing, for people to see, okay, hey, this person is doing it. You can put with your services in Craigslist. You can do Facebook ads for studios and different things that you offer for people to see that. It's possible, guys. You just gotta tap into something that's going to teach you, and this program is definitely going to teach you that. Okay. Now, again, there's a lot of different training in here that we have here. So our Craigslist secrets, the Fearless Momma Mastermind, a lot of the bonus. Sometimes I don't like going in some of the other things, guys, just because I don't want you to go in and see, a lot of the trainings that we're off that people are paying to see. So I try to be careful on that. So I'm gonna stay away from that. But definitely, guys, this is something that you want to have. We're pulling back secrets. We're giving you everything that you need to know. So this is a training portal and extra goodies, guys. There's more training, everything that you need to know when it comes to making money online. So let me pause this really quick here. Okay, so I wanted to go over here as well, because these are the ways that you're going to be able to get paid with this company. Okay, so when someone decides they want to sign up for the program, if you decide to use Stripe, then Stripe is just like PayPal. So they're going to take a 30% charge on there, which is 30 cents per charge on that. Fees are, okay, direct deposit into your bank accounts. Same as PayPal, authorized.net. They also give you a done-for-you website. So if you don't have a marketing system, if you're not funneling your own leads, then they give you a done-for-you website. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is your website. This is your marketing system, because they're going to follow up for you. Now, the thing about this is that it's going to alert you that you have a sign up. It's going to alert you that you have sales, yada yada yada. It goes to your Gmail, where you can lock those leads into a CV file and upload them into whatever other system that you are using as far as an autoresponder goes. So something that you definitely can do on that end. Now, I'm going to show you guys here. So once you hit the button, click it in, put your information here, then it's going to take you to the next page. So that's another thing that's very, very powerful that I'm loving. Again, we're going to show you how to do everything from Craigslist ads to Facebook ads to using autoresponders. Guys, this stuff works. So, here's the thing. As I mentioned, it's Monday, and I wanted to talk to people because I know some people are at work, or you might catch this when you get off work, and don't let your job be a dream killer. Don't think that programs like this is not real. This is what I was going to get into earlier before I got off sidetracked and everything. These programs are real programs, guys, and they allow you to make a lot of money. They allow you to make some big commissions, and people are making a lot of money with these, okay? And phone's ringing. And all because you're not educated on it, you're missing out. When you're getting reseller rights to these programs, you can go out, you can make a lot of money. These are unlimited $250 commissions. Some people make $100 a day. I mean, literally at a job, making $10 an hour, 8 hours, so that's $80. Or they make $12. Some people may make $200 a day, but think about if you can make $700 a day, $500 a day. You know what I'm saying? $750, whatever. There's money to be made in this. And you just got to position yourself. We have the Facebook group. We have the mastermind. And matter of fact, let me log into the Facebook. So what I want to show you in the Facebook group is that we're constantly welcoming people in this group. And these are people that are coming in. So these are people making $250 commissions. So look at this. 51 minutes ago. 51 minutes ago. This man made $500. $500. 51 minutes ago. Let's go ahead and show. Tammy. Look at these 250s. 250s. 250. Look at this, guys. Powerful. So many people coming in. So many people. And this is why I'm shooting stuff like this, so you guys can see that these companies out here are real. You can become a reseller. and you're gonna get paid. There's people out here looking for opportunities. There's people out here that have businesses that need to have this training. And when you're not positioning and putting them in the right situation, guess what? They're gonna go join somebody else. Okay? So you guys see, I have a lot of educational things that I do have myself in position in, but this right here is no admin fees. It's $250 one time. It is what it is. Okay, I showed you every way that you can get paid. I'm showing you people, welcoming people into the group, proof that they're getting their money, their commissions. It's a lot of money being made, guys. So are you involved? Are you checking this out? I'm gonna leave the link at the bottom, guys, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. If you don't have a marketing system, you don't have to pay for that right now. That's always something that you can come to later. Keep that in mind, okay? So guys, I'm gonna leave the link at the bottom of the video. Hit the notification button, hit the notification bell, so that way you are notified when I do have new videos. If you have questions, you can also reach out to me on Facebook. You can see my name here, Jay Venice, and that way I can answer any questions that you do have. Definitely opt in the system, check it out, get positioned, man, and I look forward to having you on the team. I even look forward to welcoming you guys to the group as well. So this your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed Monday. Until the next video, peace.